na lang titira
All
yung
of, I'm okay with all of it. Siguro para lang kasi yung point ko lang dito is that the House followed kasi the rules na 10 session days. Ngayon, kung lumampas sila sa 10 session days, may ibang usapan na yan. I think we will both agree na pag lumampas sila sa 10 session days, tapos sa 3 session days nila, hindi pala sinabit sa Committee on Justice, o ni-refer, then that would be in violation na of their constitutional duty to hold this officer to account,
okay,
di ba?
sige.
Pero kasi umabot naman within the 10 session days eh.
Kaya nga ito nga, in-issue ba ng Supreme Court kasi ba yung 10 session days na yan o hindi?
It's on the Constitution. So, Constitution, in my opinion, reigns supreme.
Is that an issue doon sa Supreme Court decision or not?
Oh yeah, okay, good question. Actually,
Diba?
hindi 10 session days.
Sandali. You answer first, yes or
Yes.
no. Is it an issue doon para makuha ko kung ano yung,
Yes.
yung magiging sagot mo? Is it an issue doon sa Supreme Court decision or not?
Not the 10 session days, no.
Correct. Diba?
Yeah.
So why are
But
we
your
talking
issue
about
was
it?
immediately, sabi mo.
Wait. Kaya nga, pero so why are we talking about it if it is not actually an issue that was tackled upon by the Supreme Court? Ito kasi ang problema sa inyo. Ang nangyayari sa inyo, nagkakaroon kayo ng straw man. Naglalagay kayo, nagsasabi kayo ng ginawa ng Supreme Court na hindi naman nila ginawa. Parang yan. Diba? Okay, I'll proceed to my next question.
Yes, please.
Ngayon, nakalagay din doon sa Supreme Court decision na mas maganda sana kung ang ginawa ng Congress ay kinonsolidate yung mga petitions. Do you agree with that or not? Tapos, ano bang ibig sabihin ng consolidation sa'yo?
Sure. I don't think it makes a difference whether they consolidated or not. But they have the right to consolidate. Nakalagay din yan sa ruling ng Supreme Court na pwedeng i-consolidate. But do they have to do it? No, they don't. Wala naman nakalagay na kailangan i-consolidate.
Ano ba ang definition mo ng consolidation?
Putting together all the different complaints and the pieces of it to have one complaint.
Paano nila ipuput together?
By
Kasi
writing it
napanood ko
together.
yung napanood ko yung live stream nyo ba yung
Yep.
video nyo ni
Yep.
ni Mr. Llamas. And,
Pero again, attorney, kasi hindi naman natin alam kung kinonsolidate ba o hindi. Kasi sine-check ko rin kung may any interviews done with the Congress that they said they consolidated or not. So,
hindi, pero let's not talk about them. Let's talk about you because I want
Sure.
to pick your brain.
Just so you know, you already hit your 5 minutes, Mr. Libayan. Pero let's try to close it up for this.
okay.
Okay. So kasi ito kasi yon.